How you can add chapters to YouTube video. So you want to go to YouTube Studio and click on details of that video where you want to add chapters. So for example, this simple one. And here is the description, and we want to add timestamps here to the description. So I'm gonna make here some space, and we want to start with 0:00 and the name of the chapter. So for example, intro. So from the 00 we'll start the intro, and the chapter will be named as intro. Now we want to add second timestamps. For example, 0:10, and now name here the chapter. So for example, chapter 1, and from 0 to 10 seconds it's gonna be visible as intro, and from 10 seconds to another timestamp it's gonna be named chapter 1. So for example, 0:20, and you need to name another timestamp. So for example, chapter 2. This means from 10 seconds to 20 seconds it's gonna be named chapter 1. And if I don't add any other timestamp, from 20 seconds to the end it's gonna be named chapter 2. Otherwise, if I add another chapter, it's gonna be named only to 20 seconds to 30 seconds to chapter 2. I'm gonna add the last timestamp, outro, and now you need to only save your project. And this is basically it. I'm gonna show it to you, play that video. Here are automatically my chapters. It's gonna show it to you on the right, and in the timeline you can see all the chapters which we added to that video description, and it's simply as that. Also, you can click it here and it's gonna move it to that chapter. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and see you next time.